Guys, everyone, for 2 minutes, can you turn on your camera, everyone? For 1 or 2 minutes. Everyone, 1 minute only, not more than that.
Yes, sir.
Let me turn on myself too. Everyone, guys, are you on call or not? So most of the guys have not turned on yet. Tejaswani is there. Sunita Rathod, Swarni D. I need a quick response. So Aman is there. Rusikesh. Guys, are you in call or not? In this meet? Everyone, please turn on your camera. Okay, okay. Will not repeat it again. So, without wasting time, so let us start our training. So, guys, those who have turned on your camera, you can turn off. So, yeah, because it's that data consuming, right? And nowadays, your data is also more costly. So, better to keep it in turn off mode. If necessary, then we'll go with the camera. Okay, fine. So, I hope everyone have completed your assessment, previous assessment. Those who have not completed, complete it and see you can share with me.
Okay,
So
sir.
okay, fine. That assessment is not important for me. That assessment is important for you only. Reason being, if you will work on the assessment, you will first read the statement. You will read the answer. You will then write the answer. Means what? The words and a statement will come into your mind. Means what? You it will get revised to you. So it is beneficial for you, and this assessment keep at your in such that in future, from now and onward, it will help you out while doing the practice. So let me share my screen first, then we'll go with this. Uh, Please confirm once if my screen is visible to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, visible.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Okay. Thank you. So let me open that project first. PCS fine. So this is our 5th day training, correct? So yeah, till yesterday we have covered up to class and object. Now we are moving further and we are talking to the next. So in the class and object, what we have learned so far, how to create class, what is class, how to create class, what are the methods and data members are available inside the class, how we are creating the object, how we are initializing instance variable of the class, and then how we are accessing those variables value. So we have seen two methods to initialize the class variable, and what are those two ways? First way is what, using that object of those class we are in a position to initialize the value. Using this object of this we can initialize, and second way is what, using that, using this object of the class we can assign the value, and second way is what, using constructor of the class, also we can assign the value of the instance variable of class. Getting my point? And practically we have seen fine. So in this way we have learned constructor also, correct? And now we are familiar with
हेलो
this.
हेलो
Yeah,
सर
yeah, go ahead.
हेलो सर
Yes.
यस सर आपका माइक थोड़ा सा किच किच कर रहा है ये नेटवर्क इशू है कि क्या है
Yeah, okay. Thank you for confirming. Let me use headphone. So earlier it was clear, right? In the previous training session, it was clear, right? Right, Ajhar?
Yes, sir.
नहीं सर बफरिंग कर रहा है थोड़ा आवाज में थोड़ा बफरिंग है
No, no. I'm talking about in the previous training session. My mic was clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Leave it. Now tell me, am I audible clearly, Ajhar?
यस सर अब क्लियर आ रही यस
Okay,
सर यस सर यस सर
okay, fine. Then I have used my mic. Headphone I have used. Thank you. So let us continue with that. Then we have seen this one two ways to initialize the class data member and how to call the class member function as well as variable also. Two ways we have seen. Now we are having another way also that is most popular way. And in company we are using that way only to initialize the value. We are using this constructor as well as that another way also we are using, that is the concept of the encapsulation. So then we'll learn that encapsulation also. And encapsulation is one of the principle coming falling under the oops principle, correct? Now moving further, and moving further with our next concept. So let me first open this one. So now talking about the encapsulation. See guys, if we are, see over here we have created one class, correct? And this class is having the instance variable as well as instance method or functions available, correct? Or behavior available. Means what? So this is one class, right? And we are creating object of this class in another class. That class name is what? A student class. Getting my point? A student program. So let me create one another class in this day 5 training. We'll give it the name as a encapsulation. Encapsulation program. We are talking about the encapsulation. Don't worry, this is the start. You will get to know everything in encapsulation. So in this, let me create one class. That class name is a student or employee. Let me take in another class. I'm taking over here employee class emp employee emplo white employee, and this is the way to create the class, right? Now int emp id string emp name. Now talking about what? A string emp email, a string emp mobile number, a string emp address. So now public void display emp info, correct? And when we'll go to display this one, we'll do what? We'll have to print it out over here. Imply id emp id, then control c, imply id, imply name, imply email, imply mobile number and imply
बाकी तर कुठं जायचं म्हणलं की लगेच जाते तर आणि काय का असं म्हणलं का नाही लगेच माझं काम आहे नेमकं आहे.
with this guy. Guys, everyone please mute yourself and just remember if you are in the call, be in the training and what I am explaining, just you listen that one and learn that one because you are in the call and you are talking with somebody. So is it okay? No. So be in this meet and utilize your time because this is important. If anything I'm explaining over here wrong, then you can tell me that. If it is not important for you, then you can leave this meet. But if you have joined, then be in the meet and learn this one. It is most important for all of you, correct? So this is mobile, imply mobile, and this is imply address. So imply ID, EMP, name, EMP, email, EMP, mobile, number, and this is what EMP address, correct? Now, my question is over here, so this is one class and this is what another class, correct? This is second class and this is one class. So if this is the class, so should be accessed, it should be accessed in this class itself or by using this class object. It should not go outside of the class, correct or not? For the security purpose, suppose if somebody else are in a position to make the class object outside over here, EMP imply E1 equal to new EMP LY, and over here I'm able to get what system.out.println EMP im- imply name, correct? And over here what I'm printing E1 dot EMP name. Before that I'm setting EMP name E1 dot EMP name equal to Chandan Kumar. Just see what the value it will print. Now it is printing the value over here, Chandan Kumar, right? So if somebody will come and will make it what instead of this Chandan, if somebody will come and will make it what Mithun, Mithun Kumar. In that case, if I will run it, just see the output. Now it is Mithun Kumar. Means what? This class is different and I'm accessing those in different class. Getting my point? So is there any data security? No, data is not secure. But why? Because anyone in any class, if they will make the object of this class, they are in a position to alter the values of this one, right? Means data is consistent. Data security is there or not? No, data is not secure. So how we are going to secure this data? So how we are going to secure this data? This is called as what encapsulation means what? Suppose as per the example I am giving you, if you went to the market and you have purchased one chocolate, so chocolate is you will get that chocolate and chocolate is wrapped with a wrapper or not? Yes, means what? Chocolate is inside the wrapper, and why we are using or shopkeeper is using wrapper to protect the chocolate from the outside. Getting my point? Means what? Chocolate is safe inside the chocolate wrapper or not? Yes. This is the meaning of over here encapsulation. Means what? we are providing encapsulation to the class data members and member functions. Means what? Such that it will not be available to access outside of the class. Is that chocolate is available outside the chocolate wrapper? No. Chocolate is inside the chocolate wrapper. Means what? Chocolate is protected by the chocolate wrapper from the outside. In the similar way over here, this out of this class, anyone is able to make the object of this class and they are able to alter the value or not. Yes. So is it protected? Not protected. But protection is important or not? It is very much important for the security purpose. So for this reason only, we are learning what encapsulation and how we are achieving that encapsulation using the private keyword. So see, encapsulation is the concept of bundling the data, attributes, and the method that operates on the data into a single unit. It also refers to restricting access to some of the object component, often via the use of access modifier. In Java, this is done by declaring the field as a private, providing public getter setter method to access them. Are you getting my point? Means what? How we are achieving that encapsulation, how we are going to protect our data. So over here, this name is visible, right? But we are going to protect this data using access modifier. That access modifier is nothing but private keyword. As I have used over here private keyword in the below side, you are able to see the error message. Getting my point? Means what? The field imply EMP name is not visible. Getting my point or not? And that's how we have achieved encapsulation. Just you see in the output, we are getting error. Error came. See, error came. Not visual, not visual, not visual. So this is the meaning of what encapsulation means. What we are providing security to our class members and member function, class member variable and member function. Getting my point? And how we are achieving by using the private keyword. Those fields which are not declared with the keyword this private, those are visual outside of this. If I will try to access EMP address, EMP what address, a double address. In that case, see, we are able to set the address and instead of name it will print what address. See, so I think okay. So instead of this EMP name, EMP address. Now see, we are getting at in place of address we are getting the Chandan Kumar. I'm calling address and we are getting Chandan Kumar. Why? Because at address I have stored the value Chandan Kumar. So this way we can achieve what security, and this security is nothing but what called as encapsulation, and we are achieving encapsulation using the access modifier. Then means what? Outside of this class, even though you have use that class object, but outside of this class I'm not able to access it. So then question is what? If we are not able to access outside of the class, then how to set the values of this variable? So there is a one concept of getter and setter method. It is the responsibility of that getter and setter method to do what? Set the value or get the value. Getting my point? How we are going to do that? So then this way we can do public void set emp id, public void set emp id, and in this we are going to give a string int id, int id. Then we'll, so without wasting time, let me go with this. We'll get it over here itself. So getters and setters, and we'll get it over here, generate it. Now you are in a position to see it, right? So getters came and setters came. Using this way, we can initialize the value. Now, so this is what? This way we are achieving the encapsulation. So then our question is what then how to initialize that variable's value? We can initialize that using either constructor or using that getters and setters. Using that constructor also we are in a position to initialize the value. So while making this one, we can set them. So is there any constructor? No any constructor I have defined over here. So now we are going to set e1 dot set emp name. Now I'm setting Chandan Kumar e1 dot set address. Now I'm setting address what Noida e1 dot set email. I'm setting what gmail.com. Now e1 dot set mobile number. I'm setting over here mobile number something like that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 or 10 9 8 like this. So then address e1 dot emp address I'm giving over here address statement done 1 2 3 4 e1 dot set id e1 dot set id 1001. I hope done right. So this way we can set the value and then how to access those will we can access using this emp imply id equal to e e1 dot get e1 dot get emp id correct control c control v that's it imply id imply name then imply email imply address imply mobile number mobile number that's it we are going to give e1 dot get name okay e1 dot get name e1 dot get email email then e1 dot get emp address then e1 dot get mobile number that's it this way we can achieve what encapsulation email okay emp address set emp email let me save it and let me execute it if we got the output correct output this way we can initialize the value of instance variable and this way only we can access the value getting my point but we are not in a position to access this outside using that object directly Getting my point? We are calling method getter and setter, and this method we are passing the value, and in this method only this value we are setting. See over here, set empid. This method we are calling, and in this method we have passed the value, and this value will get assigned to this variable. Which variable? This variable. Getting my point? So this is what encapsulation. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the encapsulation. So this is about encapsulation. Now moving further and talking about which one? Inheritance. So inheritance, guys, inheritance is basically it is it is a feature of Java OOPS which allows us to access the properties of one class into the another class. To access the properties of one class to into another class means what? In see just a statement what it's written over. Inheritance allows a new class to inherit properties and behavior like field and method from an existing class. Getting my point? The existing class is called as the parent class, super class, and the new class is called as what? Child class or subclass or derived class. Are you getting my point? Not getting. So we are having second topic, second principle, that is called as your in inheritance program. So inheritance is a way to access the properties of one class into the another class. That's it. Means what? How we are going to achieve that one? Inheritance using that extend keyword. How we'll do that? Let me show you first. Class student class let me class vehicle. It is having what? Int vehicle number, string vehicle name, and then int string string vehicle model number, string vehicle color. That's it. Now I'm making another class.
Sir,
Yes, go ahead.
sir, I have a doubt one because yesterday class I declare one more program related to vehicle class. Yes, sir.
You are having doubt for today class or yesterday class?
Yes, sir. The doubt is today, but I have written this type of program yesterday. Yes, sir.
So
In
in
OOPS
yesterday,
concept.
wait. In yesterday you are having that, right? So
Yes, sir.
so you asked me at the end. Let me go with this and just you learn over here. So I'm
Okay.
declaring
Okay,
another
sir.
class card, and it will extend extend what? Vehicle. So over here, car is extending vehicle class, and this is where we are inheriting properties of vehicle class. All these properties will be available over here in the car class. So I'm declaring one constructor of this car class, and it will have what? A string vehicle number, a string vehicle name, then a string vehicle color, and then I'm using super keyword, and then I'm giving the value vn, vnm, and vc. Now over here, vehicle string vn, string vnm, string VC. Getting my point? Then vehicle model number equal to VN. Vehicle name equal to VNM. Vehicle color equal to VC. That's it. So, and yeah, void display info. Over here, I'm writing what vehicle car model number. So let me do one thing. Just done. Oh, wait. Just you see guys over here. Now I'm showing what display by display car info, and over here I'm writing car model number plus what vehicle model number. I'm giving over here. Now let me copy it. Getting my point. So car model number, car name, then car color. That's it. So two only vehicle name and vehicle color. Correct? Now you see I'm creating one main method. It is important, right? Without main method, we can't run or execute any Java program, right? So over here, car car equal to new car. Now I'm calling this car. Using this car, I'm calling one method name, that is set value. Over here, I'm giving the car model number MZ 200 2025. Now I'm giving over car name is what, Tata Indigo, and then I'm giving over here the color is what, gray. Right? Now using this car object, I'm calling display car info, and just see we are getting output over here. Means what? Over here, are you in a position to see over here what I have done? See this vehicle model, is it available in this car class? Guys, tell me, guys, is this vehicle model number is available in this car class?
No, sir.
Guys,
Only initialization is there.
no. I'm talking about initialization. I'm not talking. I'm asking you, is this vehicle model number is available in this car class or not? Not available. Did I declare this vehicle number over here? No, I have declared this vehicle model number in the vehicle class. Correct. So this class is different and this class is different. I have declared vehicle model number in the vehicle class, but I am accessing that vehicle model number in vehicle class. How it is possible? Because due to this inheritance, see, this vehicle model number is available in the car class. Are you getting my point or not? Means what? Means what? Inheritance is a mechanism or way to access the properties of one class into another class. And we are able to access it over here or not? Yes. And we are getting output. Why we are able? Because as long as I have extended, means as I have inherited this vehicle class into the car class, accordingly see all properties of vehicle class is available inside the car class. Getting my point? It is available or not? Practical example is in front of you. Because vehicle model number is available, vehicle name is available, vehicle color is available of vehicle class. So this is what inheritance. Is it clear to all of you guys? We are First of all, let me tell you, inheritance is what? Inheritance is a mechanism or way to access the properties of one class into another class. So what are the properties of class? These are the properties. And what is the class name? Vehicle. So vehicle is one class whose properties is what? Vehicle model number, vehicle name and vehicle color. Now I have created another class, and in this class I am accessing the properties of vehicle class. But how it is possible? It is possible only through inheritance. But how we are doing that inheritance? We are achieving that inheritance using this extend keyword. Our class is only this class car, that's it. And over here, this is the extend, but we are extending which class? Vehicle class. Are you getting my point? Using this
Sir, I have
extend,
one doubt, sir.
yeah, go ahead.
Suppose, like, as we discussed before in encapsulation, if I have kept private before it, like vehicle attributes,
Yes,
can we still access in the
no,
car? Like in the,
no.
we cannot.
No, private variable we can't do that. So if it is your doubt, let me do this. Just see, we are getting error, right? We can do, but how we can do? Using that getter and setter. So we can
Okay,
create the getter and setter and using, and then we can assign that value to that. Then we can do.
okay, sir.
Either we can use that constructor also. Using that constructor also we can assign. You are able to see that error is coming, right?
Yes,
So private means what? We have protected our value. So anyhow, this value will not go outside of this class. But using that constructor and getter setter, we can save it. So now see, uh, these all properties are available in the car class. Means what? This properties we have inherited or not? Yes. How we have inherited? Using this extend keyword. And whom we have extended? Vehicle class we have extended. And uh, uh, I have created only car class object, right? And using this car class, see, I am accessing the value of the vehicle class, vehicle model class, and vehicle. We are getting the details. So this is what inheritance. Is it clear to all of you guys? Tell me, everyone. Can you tell me? Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Fine. So now we are talking about we are having inheritance, different types of inheritance. In Java, we are having basically two types of inheritance. Single single level inheritance means but only one class we have extended over it, right?
And second, we are having what? Multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance. This is what? Single level inheritance. Now we are having multi-level inheritance. So multi-level inheritance means what? Let me tell you one another example. Give you multi-level inheritance. So multi-level inheritance. Fine. Now in this, I will show you. See, I'm making one class. Class animal. It is having one method, but um, void sound, right? Class dog, class dog ex extend what? Animal, and now it is having what? Void this out animal sound over here, void sound dog is barking. Now I am having another class what? Mm, cat. So not, this is not sound. Let me dog sound. Dog what? Sound. Now class cat extend what? Dog. Now we are having over here what? Void cat sound. I'm printing over here to out meow. Spelling might be wrong, no issue. You can. So now to execute this, we need main method or not? Yes, we need. How will do that? So now I'm making a cat class object. Cat equal to new cat. Now just you see cat dot. Let me make it animal sound. Animal what sound. Now let me come over here and just see animal sound. And now let me run it. See animal sound. Getting my point? Which this is executing, right? Now guys, just you see over here. Animal class is different. Dog class is different. Cat class is different. But each cat has extended or inherited animal class? No. But animal class properties is available in cat or not? Yes. But how it is possible? Because dog has inherited animal class. Correct. So dog is having the properties of animal class, and cat has inherited dog class. Means cat is having the properties of dog class. Getting my point or not? So, okay, cat is having the dog properties, and dog is having properties only dog sound. So where this animal sound is coming? Because internally this dog is inherited animal also, animal class. Are you able to see? So this is what multi-level. Why? Because animal class is inherited by dog, and dog is inherited by cat. So internally, cat is cat is indirectly inherited which one? Animal class. Directly not. Directly it has inherited to dog. but it is getting the properties of animal also. Why? Because in the dog, animal class is extended. So indirectly, cat is having the properties of animal, and this is the reason I have made only cat class object. And this cat class object means what? Cat class object must have only cat class properties, but cat class is having properties of dog as well as animal class also. So this is multi-level. Why multi-level? If animal class got inherited at first level over here in dog class, and now in cat class also it got inherited second time. So first level over here, second level over here. That's the reason it is called as what? Multi-level inheritance. Is it clear to all of you? So inheritance clear, single level inheritance, multi-level inheritance, what is inheritance and how we are doing, how we are creating that inheritance using that extends keyword. Clear? Now moving further and talking about what polymorphism. So polymorphism is nothing but what it is a way to define same method more than one time, multiple times. Same method more than one times, then it is called as what? Polymorphism. Then it is called as what? Polymorphism. Give me one. Guys, give me 1 minute.
नहीं पाया मतलब गए
ते म्हणलं राहून दे आपण आपल्या
So this is what multi-level inheritance, correct? Now talking multi-level inheritance over, right? Now talking about what polymorphism.
Polymer.
So polymorphism is a way to declare same method more than once. Suppose I have created one class. Class what? Area cal calculator. So this is one class which is responsible to calculate the area. So it is having the method. But void calculate area. Correct? So this is one. Now same I'm writing over here. This is one. Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V. Now just you see. So this is nothing. It is having what? Int L, int B. It is having what? Double L, int B. Now it is having what? Double L, double B. See, method name is same, right? Calculate area, calculate area, calculate area, calculate area means what? I have declared same method multiple times. Is it clear? I have declared same method multiple times, and this is called as what? Polymorphism. Same method available more than one time. But how it is different? It is different based on the number of parameter or number or data type of the parameter. So it is having int data type. It is having double int. It is having double double. That's the reason. That's how we can create. We can achieve the polymorphism. And inside this, just you see area equal to int double area. So this area I am using over here. Area equal to what? Area equal to 20 star 10. For this area equal to what? L into B. I'm talking about the rectangle. Calculate area or rectangle, I can rectangle class. So this is the area. Now area equal to what? L into B. Over here area equal to L into B. Now I'm making one method, void display area, and over here I'm displaying what? Area of rectangle equal to what? area. Getting my point, guys? So this is the main class which will have the main method. Now after this I am creating object of this rectangular rec equal to new rectangle spelling. So let me go to rectangle, and this rectangle equal to new but rectangle. So this is rectangle 1. So rectangle 1. Now I am this is what? Rectangle dot this rectangle dot calculate area, rec1 dot calculate area. Now I am showing rec dot calculate area, but at this time I am giving what? 5 comma 6. 5 comma 6. Now rec1 dot calculate area. I'm giving over here what 2.5 comma 6. I'm giving over here 2.5 comma 6. Now I will give over here rec1 dot calculate area over here 2.5 comma 2.5. And now after this I'm calling what rec1 dot display area. I have saved this one, and let me call it, run it. Area of rectangle 6.25, but this is the issue. What we'll have to call it at every point. After calling this calculate area, we'll have to call display. See, now I'm calling display. Now I'm calling display, and just you see the output coming, right? Area of rectangle 230, 15, 6.5, 6.25, 6.25. Okay, it is something different. 2 into L plus B, right? Area of rectangle, how much? 2 into L plus B? No, no, that is the perimeter, right? Star only, na? Star, star, star. Then why we are getting this much? Okay, 2.5. 2.5 means 6.5, and I have called it multiple times. Okay. So we are getting area or not? Yes. So guys, are you able to see over here?
Yes, sir.
This is called as what? Polymorphism. Same method multiple times I have declared, and that's the reason it is called as what? Polymorphism. So we are having two types of polymorphism. We are having two types of polymorphism: compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. Compile time polymorphism means what? So over here, this is what? Compile time polymorphism. Means what? During the compilation only, compiler will get to know about this uh, method. So how many times? Means how many times it has declared. This method declaration compiler will get to know during the compilation time. And that's the reason it is called as what? Compile time polymorphism. Why it is called compile time polymorphism? As I will do any mistake over here, we are getting error. So this is called as what? Compile time polymorphism. During the compilation only, it is checking about this methods available. Now we are having runtime polymorphism. Runtime polymorphism means what? And that is also called as what? Method overriding. And method overriding is only possible in case of inheritance. How we are doing that method overriding? Let me show you. That is called as what? Runtime polymorphism. So runtime polymorphism. How we are doing that one? Suppose I had declared one class student and int string std name, student name. Correct. Now void display this out what? Student name equal to what? Std name. Correct. Now I have created one another class. That class name is what? Class mm, demo. Let me do that. Demo. EXTENDS extend student. In this C I'm void display. Now demo class method. That's it. Now I'm making one object of the demo class. Demo d1 equal to new demo d1 dot display. Now just see which output will get it. Demo demo class method is demo class method, correct? I have removed this one. I made the demo class and now I'm calling once again student name equal to null. It is coming. So d1, let me control Z and let me comment it out. Let me execute this. It has defined new demo. Let me remove it. Extend student. Now just you see I'm overriding this method over here, display method. Now just you see. So then polymorphism I'm making an object here. P1 equal to new runtime polymorphism. By using this P1 only, I am able to call this display method, but just you see which display method will get called. Okay, a student value will have to give now. Now just to see what is happening. See the output. Demo class method, because this method is available over here. If I will remove this and then will call it, see the output Chandan Kumar is coming or not. Means what? Means what? The this method means what? This method is available in demo or not? Yes. If it is available, then only I am able to call using this demo class method, demo class object or not? Yes. If it will not be available, this method over here, then how am I am calling using the object of demo? Means this method is available over here, and the same method I am declaring once again, because due to inheritance this properties will be available over here. Yes, and in the similar way I'm again declaring the step this method again over here. Then means it is having more than one method or not? Same method with more than one time. Means what? This is what? Polymorphism only, but it is what? Method overriding. Why method overriding? Because the method which are already present in the parent class, that method I am again defining over here. What is the meaning of again defining? Because due to this inheritance, this method is available in the demo class. And now I'm again writing this display method. Means what? It is overriding the previous method, it is overriding over here, and we are able to give another body according to our way we are able to give, and this is called as what? Method overriding. Is it clear to all of you guys or not? Let me know, because it is little bit confusing. Method overriding means what? As suppose you wrote over here your name. Suppose you wrote your name Chandan Kumar, and now i took I took one pen and I went over here and I wrote over here Ramesh Kumar on the same line. Means what? Your name is it, your name got overwritten by my name, correct or not? Means what? This method is already available in this demo class. How it is available? Due to this inheritance available or not? Yes, available. So this method is already available, and again I am again writing this method. Means method overwriting is happening or not? Tell me. Yes, method overriding is happening, because already same method is available, same method I am again writing. So this is what method overriding, and this is called what? Runtime polymorphism. Why I am calling it as a polymorphism? Reason being, same method I am writing again. Means more than one time is available. That's the reason it is called as what? Polymorphism, runtime polymorphism. Why? Because this will get created during the execution, and we are able to see the output. Is it clear to all of you guys? So this is what? Runtime polymorphism. Now we are having what? Abstraction. How we are achieving that abstraction? Abstraction is nothing but what? It is a way, or it is a way, or it is a mechanism to hide basic functionality of basic functionality basic functionality. Getting my point? What is the definition is telling over here? Abstraction is the concept of hiding the implementation details and only showing the essential feature of an object. Means what? Whichever is required to display or show, only show that one, and implementation part, just you do what? Just you hide it. As per the practical example I am telling you, if you are visiting to the ATM machine to to get the to get the cash from the machine, you are inserting your ATM card into the machine, you are dialing your PIN code, you are choosing the withdrawal option, and then after choosing a withdrawal option, you are giving input how many money you want to withdraw. Then after you are clicking on the OK button, and accordingly that money is getting get you are getting that money from the machine, and accordingly this changes is getting reflected into your bank account. But tell me guys, after giving the password and typing the total amount how much you want to withdraw, tell me, internally that operation is happening or not? Yes. Until and unless that operation in the background operation is happening, how they are deducting the money and how they are giving you the cash. Means what? Only you are seeing in front of what they have shown you, but internal things are also happening or not? Yes. So but those internal things are hidden from you or not? Yes, that is called as what? Abstraction. Suppose you are now driving a bike, you are on the bike and you are riding bike, and bike is in full speed. Means what? Bike is in a speed of 20. Now you took now you accelerate your accelerator. Now it became what? 45 speed. Means what? How it happened? Previous it was 20, now it became 45. Means what? Internally some changes have happened or not? But is that visible to you? No. Only your hand is on accelerator and you just rotate that accelerator. That's it. Internally what is happening? It is not visible to you, right? But thing is happening or not? Yes, because now you are in good speed. That is called as what? Abstraction means what? Hide, that is hidden from you, but in background that is running. Getting my point? So over here, abstraction is the same. Abstraction matlab same, meaning same over here. Abstraction is the concept of hiding the implementation details and only showing the essential feature of an object. How we are achieving that abstraction? We are achieving this abstraction using the abstract keyword. That abstract keyword, if we'll use with the method name, then that method is called as what? Abstraction. Means what? Only will define, only will declare that method, but definition we will not provide. Definition we will not provide. It is the it is the responsibility of the class which to give the body who will inherit this class. So I hope abstraction meaning is clear to all of you, but practically I am showing you over here. So abstraction. Abstraction program. Mm. Class. So see class. So EMP details. In this EMP details, I am extending EXTENDS extends what? EMP. Now it is the response. If will not inherit, if will not redefine this abstract method, then we'll get the error in the next class. So it is telling the must implement the inherited method. I am implementing this one. It got implemented. Now it is responsibility of the inherited method to give the body. Now I am system.out.println. So method what over here id equal to emp id equal to what? Id I'm showing over here what? Emp name equal to what? Emp name. That's it. So how we'll set that value over here? So let me I will do that. So this is what abstract method means. We are not going to define. Let me come over here. And so let me show you this one. So see, guys, over here, I'm calling MP name is null. Yes, MP name is null. Why? Because I have not given any name to this. So I'm making what? Chandan. Now I'm running it once again, and you are able to see the name Chandan coming now. Means what? See over here. Just remember over here. This see this class is written somewhere else, and this class is written somewhere else. I made one object of this class. So EMP, I am calling the show details. So over here, simply I am calling the show details. Means what? Only over here, I have clicked on the withdraw button. Now after pressing on the withdraw button, just see I'm getting the employee ID as well as employee name. But is this employee ID and employee name is available in this abstraction program or not? Not available. But it is showing over here or not? Yes. Means what? This is hidden, but still it output is coming. That is called what? Abstraction. But that is abstracted, that is okay. But let me tell you how we are achieving abstraction using the abstract keyword. And abstract keyword, we are making the method as a abstract because it it will make the method as an abstract method body. We no need to give. Just it is the responsibility of the class which will inherit this class, that only have to give the body of this abstracted method. Getting my point? And just remember, in which class you will make the abstract method, it is compulsory to make that class as an abstract class. So abstract class is, if somebody will ask you what is abstract class, then you have to tell abstract class is nothing but what? It is a class which will get declared using that abstract keyword is known as what? Abstract class. And abstract class is not 100% abstract class. It can be 100% or it cannot be. Why? Because abstract class can have the abstract method, also cannot have the abstract method. So it is having one abstract method. We can give multiple abstract method, but if will not give any abstract method, still this class will not throw any error. Are you getting my point? So this is what abstract class and this is what abstract method. And remember, if somebody will ask you define the abstract method, just only simply tell them abstract method is a method which will get defined using the abstract keyword, and that method is only the declaration part, but this method will not have any method body. Method body, is there any method body? Body means what? This curly bracket and then a statement. But is it having over here? No. So this is what abstract method. You can write a note on this at your end and you can Google it. So what is abstract method? What is abstract class? And using this, we are achieving abstraction. Is it clear to all of you guys? So this is called as what? Abstraction.
Yes, sir, I understand.
Thank you. Will again explain you tomorrow if it will not get clear to you. Just you make a note over here. Practical example is over here. I will be sharing this example to you. Just you have to uh, write it on your system and run it and get the meaning and try to understand how the control is flowing. And then you Google it and get to try to learn something. If you will learn, if you will get to know, then it is okay. Otherwise, if you will join me tomorrow, definitely tomorrow I will be explaining you more. It's a little bit little bit complex, you can say, as very like in the beginning. If you will learn this one, it is little bit complex. But anyhow, I have tried to explain you with the example with the output. But you try at your end also, and tomorrow I will be explaining you once again in very quick manner. I will be explaining you. I hope it is clear to you. So today we have completed what? We have completed inheritance. We have completed encapsulation. We have completed polymorphism. Now we have learned about the abstraction. Clear? And inheritance types also we have learned over here. So now moving further, we are talking about method overloading method overriding also we have learned. Method overriding is nothing but what? Runtime polymorphism. Now next we are having what? Interface. Next we are having what? Interface. Remember, interface is 100% abstract. Yes, interface is 100% abstract. Means what? Uh, you you can't give the body inside the interface. Only declaration part. Whatever you will write inside the interface, that is 100% abstract itself. You no need to give the abstract keyword. No, without abstract keyword, that interface meaning is that it is what by default abstract. That's it. And using this interface only, we are achieving what? Multiple inheritance. We are achieving multiple inheritance. We are achieving multiple inheritance. So just see what is the definition of this interface. I think interface definition. Okay. So animal interface defines concept. Okay, fine. Leave it. I'm showing you interface. So interface program. So this is class. This is not interface. Why? Because I have used class keyword. Correct. See, interface A. It is having what? Display. Void display. That's it. Now interface B. It is having what? Void add. That's it. Only declaration. If you will try to give the body C, you will get the E. Can we give the body? No. So body we can't give. Just you remember this. Int X. The blank final field X may not have been initialized. So we can leave it. Just now try to you remember this. Now interface C. Void what? Multiply. That's it. Now I'm making what? Main interface. Interface main interface main interface. That's it. See, we are having how we are making interface using interface keyword. And interface is 100% abstract. Means what? If you will try to give the body, you will get the error. So we can't give body. We can't give. Now interface A, interface B, interface C. Now this is what? Main interface, and inside this main interface will have to implement these interfaces to give the body. So if interface is there, then we'll have to extend A, B, C. That's it. And now we are having what? Void what? Divide. div method. Now I am implement what? Main interface. We are getting error what? Because it is the responsibility of the extending class to define the body of the abstract method. It is telling na, so we'll define that. Add unimplemented method. So see, all void display, void add, void multiply, void divide came inside or not in this. Now over here I am writing what? This out display method of interface A, interface but A. Same thing I'm writing over here what? interface B interface but C, and division over here I am writing interface main interface. Now this interface name is what? Main interface. Which one? Main interface. Now I am writing over here, and then I am creating one main method over here. In this main method I am creating the class of this object of this class interface program. This one interface program, obj equal to new interface, and using this only I'm calling it over here. How I'm calling? Obj dot add, obj dot what? Multiply, obj dot divide. Is there any other? Display also, right? Display also, obj dot display. Now let me save it. Let me execute it. We got the interface BCAA, and the divide we have obj display only na, obj dot divide na dot div dot div d, that's it. Seven execute main interface. Getting my point? Means what? Means what? See, this is one interface, this is second, this is third, and all these three I am inheriting in this interface at a time. A, B, C means what? All properties of A, B, C is available in this main interface. Means what? Display is also available, add is also available, multiply is also available in this main interface. How we got to know that? Because I have inherited only this over here, right? But all properties are coming or not? This property is coming as well as other properties is also coming. So we can see over here. So now we have implemented all those. Why we need to implement? Reason is what? These are all abstract, means body is not available. Then it is our duty to give the body. So we have given the body, and now then we have called it. So this way we are achieving multiple inheritance. Means what? At the same time we are inheriting multiple properties using that interface. So in Java, multiple inheritance is not available, but we can achieve that multiple inheritance using interface, and that's how I have shown you over here. So is it clear to all of you? Interface. Using this interface keyword, we are declaring the interface, and interface is nothing but what? It is 100% abstract. Why we are telling 100% abstract? Because body we can't give inside. If we'll try to give, we'll get the error. So that's the interface. And if you are going to inherit one interface into another interface, then we'll have to use extend keyword, extend, extend keyword. But if you will inherit in a interface into class, then you will have to use implement keyword. Just remember this two things. I hope it is clear to all of you guys. So output is in front of you, and that's how we have covered a lot, and we have completed our OOPS concept. So any doubt you are having, just you let me know. Before that, I am telling you, in the group I am sharing assignment or PDF. Just what you will have to do over here, you will have to come and this, and then you have to give this reaction. Because if you will give this reaction, means what? The team or team member who are in the group, they will get to know, okay, means training is going good. So everyone who have joined over here, maximum try to give this thumbs up like this. See, like this. like na. So just in this way you do over there, such that they will share the link also in the group, because they will get to know, okay, candidate are attending the training session. If you will not give the reaction, they will get to know that I think training is not going, so they will not see. So do these things without missing. This is more important to all of you guys. So today, as you can see in the group, I have asked to share the link, then only they have shared. So remember this. So thank you. And if you have any doubt, you can let me know. And do the practice what we have learned today. So we have done a lot of things today, right? If you have any query, anyone, unmute yourself and please.
हेलो सर।
Yes.
सर हम कह रहे हैं कि जैसे कि इंटरव्यू जैसे होगा तो उसका थोड़ा एक ये निकाल देते पीडीएफ की, इंटरव्यू जो क्वेश्चन किस टाइप का ज्यादातर कहाँ से कौन से टॉपिक से आएंगे।
No. It is your duty to look for it, and it is your duty to prepare yourself. I am over here to give you the training. That's it, nothing. So I am giving you the
बट
training. I am telling you uh, how to work, how to write, how to do these things. I am giving you, but for interview, whatever the questions are and assignment I am giving, that is nothing but what interview related only, right? All those are interview related. And what I am explaining you theory in this training session, all those are interview related. Why you are worrying? For more details, you can look at your end. Any other doubt? Anyone? Please go ahead. So we'll wrap it. I think no one is having any doubt. And one thing, just remember, if at PCS if you will get selection, then that you will have a good opportunity, because nowadays like
सर
getting,
असाइनमेंट असाइनमेंट सर आपके व्हाट्सएप पे कर देंगे तो चल जाएगा ना।
I think more than
व्हाट्सएप
5 to let me know. More than 5 to 10 times I have already spoken. More than 5 to 6 times I have asked in the group to share that. Then again you are asking the same question. Is it there any? Tell me if I am wrong. Whether I have already spoken or not. And everyone is sharing the same. Then you are asking again how to say. Yes, definitely you have to do that. And remember to give the reaction over the post in the group. Thumbs up. So if you are not having any doubts, so I'm closing this meet. Thank you for attending the
सर
session. Thank you everyone, and we'll
सर
meet tomorrow. Yes, please
सर
go ahead.
असाइनमेंट सर किस पे डाल देंगे, व्हाट्सएप पे डाल देंगे।
Yes, bilkul. My personal WhatsApp you can say.
ओके।
Thank you all. I'm closing this meet. You guys can leave this meet. Thank you all.